Hi, hello guys, welcome to Incredible Trader YouTube channel. On 7th May 2021, Sundram Fasteners Limited has announced dividend to its shareholders. Let's see the details. This is the statement given to the SEBI by Sundram Fasteners. We wish to inform you that the Board of Directors at their meeting held on May 6, 2021 has approved payment of second interim dividend of ₹3.40 per share with face value ₹1 each for financial year ending March 31st, 2021. We wish to inform you that the Board of Directors has decided to fix the record date for purpose of payment of second interim dividend is May 19th, 2021. The second interim dividend will be paid to the shareholders on May 28, 2021. So the dividend amount is ₹3.40 with face value ₹1 and record date is May 19th, 2021 and payment will be done on or before May 28th, 2021. Coming to the share info, as on 7th May 2021, share price stands at ₹730 with face value ₹1 and total market cap of company is 15,349 crores. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to ₹839 and 52-week low, the share fallen up to ₹276 and the last dividend paid on 12th November 2020 of ₹1.30 per share. And the record date for second interim dividend is May 19, 2021. These are the dividend details of Sundram Fasteners Limited. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.